All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel once again. So we just reacted to some short horror films, which were super enjoyable to watch, but we're gonna move a little bit to a lighter note now. So a little bit of a lighter mood, all right? We're gonna check out some funny videos now. So we're gonna do a try not to laugh on this one, all right? We're going to watch Old Dog New Fails, Dogs Failing compilation, all right? And this is by FailArmy. So you can go ahead and check out the original video in the link in the description down below. If you don't want to do that, you can watch me suffer through this and try not to laugh, all right? So I think without further ado, we should just go ahead and jump right into this one, shall we? Let's go.
Max, this is Ducky. Ducky, this is Max. Y'all can be friends.
No! No! Good work.
Oh my god. Good job.
Bam.
Right. Oh my gosh, look at that beauty.
Bam.
Oh my gosh. Look at that thing.
Really?
This door was open.
For those of you who don't know, I love golden retrievers and I want one so bad, but I mean, just watching these videos themselves, like these compilation of these dogs losing control, it makes me reconsider the decision of purchasing a dog. So, but if y'all have a golden retriever, let me know what your experience is like. Maybe y'all can convince me and, for me to lean a little bit more towards actually purchasing the dog. Because I'm kind of like indecisive, but I really love those dogs. But just looking at those cons, man.
You can open doors.
They're not cons,
So,
but I mean, like, all these struggles you gotta go through. I don't know. Oh my gosh, he tore everything up.
Layla.
She tore everything up. See, that's what I don't want to deal with. Look at that.
It's not a settee.
Oh my
It's
goodness.
a bed that she had.
Where did all that come from? The mattress?
Come here. Come here. Sit down. Sit.
See, I don't know, man. I can't let my dog inside. I'll tell you that much.
Who's done this?
I'll probably have a separate little house for the dog outside, but not inside, man. I can't have that. Look at that. Not to mention all the fur they... Nope.
Sit down.
Who got into the trash?
The dog's not having it.
Aries. Did you do this? What did you do?
He's like, I'm not here.
Aries.
Emma,
Oh,
listen.
God.
I was thinking about, do you want to go swimming?
Look at that. That's as furry as dog as I want. That.
Oh! Oh, wait a minute. Wait, Brody. Uh-oh. Bella, you have to pee.
Fail.
You're not going anywhere.
Oop.
Ow! Sorry. Ow. Is there ice?
This is Gemini's first time on a playground. Go down the slide. Go on,
Keep
ready?
yawning.
Go. Whee! Oh, shoot.
Poor dog was terrified.
Okay.
Drop it. Rip. No.
Jeez.
Roll that dice!
need to start rolling them
Roll that dice!
Fell right on top of the other one too.
Oh my! Look at
Bandit, what did you do? Look at this mess. Bandit? Bandit, what did you do?
Jeez.
Is that your mess?
Ay, 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 bandits. Oh my goodness. Yep. Oh no. Knee scrape. Knee scrape. Oh. Jeez. Ooh, felt bad for.
Come away.
Training with that dog, man. I don't even know. Oh. Ow.
What
Belly
in
scrape
the
right there.
What in? What in? Sure, bên này quá.
Oh my gosh.
Đâu quá?
Women's.
มึงเข้ามาอยู่ในนั้นทำไม? Oh, my
Can't get his head out.
Oh my god!
Oh! Oh!
Jeez. Look at the face on that.
Luna, sit. Luna, sit. Sit. Luna, down.
Oh, I like that
Down.
name, Luna.
Luna,
That's
wait.
moon in Spanish.
Wait up. Okay.
You ready, Daddy?
Yep.
Alright, here we go. Go!
That dog's messed up. Boom. Boom. Oh, that is terrible. Jeez. Oh no. Oh my gosh. No. Yep. Ooh.
Cooper,
Ran right
did
on
you
her face
eat all
too.
of your treats? Cooper.
Quem rasgou a caminha?
I think that makes them feel like they're probably
Fala pra
hiding
mim.
when they're doing that. Or they're just,
Quem
it's
rasgou a
just
caminha?
ashamed.
Senta. Senta. Quem rasgou a caminha, Meg? Quem rasgou a caminha, Meg?
Also,
She was looking up like, what happened?
Oh, Poppy.
They went to the.
Is that good
Poppy.
stuff?
Oh
To
yeah.
the grave site.
Oh, auntie, it's
what is that? Ice cream or whipped cream? What's it eating?
full of weeds. We pulled weeds.
Looks like whipped cream.
Puppy.
Yep.
God, I got
Cool
to
whip.
finish the bill too.
Looks like he's eating the Cool Whip.
What have you done? What have you done?
Sit. Stay.
Oh gosh. Alright everyone, there you have it. That was Old Dog New Fails. I think the beginning of this video was actually a bit funnier than the end, than the last half of the video, because the last half, it had a lot of dogs just kind of hiding in shame or whatever. But I mean, nothing like those those doggies pulling their owners, and that makes me laugh. Or even running under them and just dropping them to the ground. That gets me. But I think this one was pretty easy pass. I believe there was a couple of parts in the beginning where I almost cracked, but I think I had it pretty controlled at the end. And I do apologize for the yawns. It wasn't because the video was boring or anything like that. I have been sleeping a little bit less than usual because I get up really early and do projects early now as well. So I do apologize for yawning, but yeah. But no, I really was enjoying the video. I think it just wasn't that hilarious like I wanted it to be. But in the beginning, it definitely was. It definitely had a lot of parts in there that almost made me laugh. So if you laughed, timestamp where you laughed, all right? And if you laughed at me, that also counts as you laughing because you're laughing at me or the video. You know, for me watching people try not to laugh as well, I actually always want to fail because, well, I can't help it, but I start laughing because I see them struggling and they just look hilarious. So yeah, so let me know where you guys failed. But all in all, that's all I got for y'all today. Thank you for watching this with me. And if you got some recommendations of other videos, let me know down below so I can react to them. All right, so for now, I hope y'all have a great day and take care of yourselves. Peace.